Hey, welcome back to the PopUp Homestead. This is Brenda. I know you guys have been asking me for an update, so here's an update. Sean got the grass cut, which is awesome. We are waiting for trash pickup, which will be even better. And I had a couple people ask about the chickens, so let's go see the chickens. I was just going to take them some goodies, and that'll get them all excited. So, been doing some work. Hear the generator running in the back. Got the generator running back there. That's our setup for our shower. These are containers of water. See, the outdoor kitchen's coming along. Place where I can save seeds, wash dishes, prep food, do whatever needs to do. Just a little bit more living space. Hold more water. Plants are still back there, hanging on. Girls! Alright, you'll like this. We're giving them fresh corn. Oh, they get really excited about it. Oh boy. Later, they don't know yet, but later they're getting watermelon. Oh yeah. Second favorite after corn. It's the chicken bowl. There they are, happy as can be. That's where the tent was. We let them have that area in case there was a lot of bugs underneath it. The chickens are very happy. Got their water over there. That metal can has their feed in it. Nice big chicken coop. We're talking today about maybe getting some more chickens. So I'll back up a little so you can get a better view. Very hot, very sunny here. 85, 90 degrees. So, from the PopUp Homestead, this is Brenda. See y'all later.